Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So, you know what time it is, boom boom. You know what time it is, boom boom. Time for Richard to eat her dinner. That's what time it is, boo boo. So, today we have got egg noodles with some bean sprouts. And in here we have got this. We do with some pork belly. And in here we have got some rice cakes. And we're going to pour it on the egg noodles. Well, we're going to put them on the egg noodles. I'll show you what they look like. They're just small ones. Some on that one. Oops, get off. Sharing is caring, put some juice on there. Got all that lovely juice out. Put some in there. So how are you doing, guys? Hope you're all good. Hope you're all good. So I thought I would just put my hair down today, you know. Rice cakes are done perfectly. Ignore me nails. I can't find me nails on this remover. I didn't exactly think it through. Never mind though. Never mind. All make mistakes. Let's have a taste of this. So, I mean, not that there's much juice left, like. Yep. Oops. Lovely. So I decided to put me fringe down today. Can't see my eyes. Never mind. Let's have a rice cake. Actually. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. So how are you doing, everybody? Thank you everybody who subscribed. I really appreciate it. Really, really do. Pull this forward a bit. And if you're new to this channel, or just clicking on, oh, that's it. So anyway, if you're new to this channel and you're just clicking onto the video, please press like and subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. Join the crew, the Richer crew. I tried to make a video yesterday and nearly died. Nearly died. Everything was going fine. First 15 minutes in, all hunky-dory. I was having an Indians and my son came downstairs. Wasn't his fault. My son came downstairs and in 0.5 seconds that was it. I was literally choking on the food. My son came rushing over, frantically patting on my back. I couldn't breathe properly for about 10-15 minutes. Like desperately trying to breathe. No. It's crazy. In the end I was like, I'm done. I'm done. And I stopped filming. These are nice, not too spicy. Just right. Just right. I'm looking into your soul. Oops. Oh, pardon me. Oh, I'm starving. I'm not the greatest cook me like. Pardon me. And I'm not afraid to admit it either. So, why not? So should I keep my hair down or what? Oh, pardon me. Oh, that's spicy. It's coming through. I'm so hungry. So yeah, I basically threw away the rest of the meal yesterday, and that was all I had to eat. And then I had nightmares last night about it. Wow. My lips are on fire. So is my mouth. Nearly there. Nearly finished torturing myself. Last bite. Oh. The thing is with them is if you eat too slow, the heat intenses even more. So the quicker you eat it, the better it is. I don't know what to think of. having me fringe down. I suppose I have to get used to it, don't I? Know what I mean? I'm going to see if I can find that permanent, like, lip. Obviously, it's not permanent, it's like 18-hour wear. I don't know who does it though, that's the thing. Tried searching it up yesterday. Because that would be better for doing mukbangs, you know. So yeah. Kind of thinning my hair as well today. I needed it badly. Yes, I did. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I am full. I'm stuffed. I want to now go and figure out what to make my son for his tea. So yeah. Just want to say thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Again, if you do like my content, please press like and subscribe. And I will see you on the other side. Take care, guys. Bye.